Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Fix Your Posture in 7 Days. So guys, I have this application over here, PostureUp, and this will be available on the Google Play Store. And now just simply open the application once you have downloaded it up. And now from here, as you can see, it will redirect us to their homepage right away, and just simply tap on Start a Post Live. So from here, just simply sign up into their application and just simply continue with your email. Now, guys, once you are signed in, as you can see, if you have a posture corrector device, you can just simply tap on Start a Post Live. And as you can see, you can connect your device over here. But if you don't have the device on you, you can just simply go back to the homepage and go for the practice down below. And we have here a 14-day correction plan, which 147 people have participated in. And as you can see, you can just simply tap on join plan now and choose a weekly practice. And as you can see, the option will be 4 to 7 days, but it is recommended to train 5 times a week. So just simply select the day that you want to train. And as you can see, we should be able to have here the instructions, and we have here the day one. So activate the body, tap on start, and from here we will have here the information of the level 1, and you could just simply go ahead and start immediately. And after that, you will have the instruction videos in order for you to have a guide for your posture. And as you can see, we have here the first exercise, and it is showing you how to do it. And pretty much over here, guys, you will have a 14 days course that will help you fix your posture up. And as you can see, we should be able to see here all of the things we need to do for the day 1, 2, 3, and 4 until the 14-day posture correction plan. And pretty much it is much better to finish the course rather than 7 days. But of course, going through this halfway will see will make a huge difference and should be able to see your posture getting better. There go, see ya.